Hi everyone, welcome back to Seera Academy. In this video, we are solving Edexcel A-Level Pure Mathematics 2, June 2022, question number 1. I'll take you through it step by step so you understand the method clearly. Let's get started. So the first question says, find the first four terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 2 plus 3 by 8x to the whole to the power of 10. Give each coefficient as an integer. So students, by this time, you all should know the formula of binomial expansion. If still you don't know, you can use your formula booklet. It's here. It's available here in the binomial under the binomial series title. You can just use this directly from here and solve your question. So we'll get started with it. So the questions, you will have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 plus. Now you can use NCR, or you can just directly write 10 1, then 1 power from the 2 will be decreased and it will become 9, and you have multiplied with 3 over 8 x to the power of 1 plus 10 2. Now again, so it will become 2 to the power of 8, and this will become squared. So 3 over 8 x squared. Then 10 and 3. This is 2 to the power of 7 and 3 over 8 x to the power of 3, right? Because it says first four terms, so we don't need to go further, right? So we can just, so now 2 to the power of 10. Now what you can do from here is, I'll just quickly show you through the calculator. Sorry. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah. So we have 2 to the power of 10, which gives us 1024, 1024, then plus. Now this, how will you use this? You can write 10 C1 multiply times 2 to the power of 9, yeah, is equals to this times 3 by 8, 1920. And so on. You will just use your calculator and simplify it further. So this gives you 1620 x squared plus 810 x cubed. Yeah, that's it. So you have successfully found the first four terms, 1 2 3 4. And we'll just go quickly through the marking scheme so that you should know how to read the marking scheme especially. So, and you should know, like, each step is giving you how many marks. So this is the marking scheme for this particular exam paper. I'll just directly go to the question. So yeah, so it says we have 1024. It says mark B1. B1 means that you don't need any working to show any working on this. So if you have shown 1024, they will directly give you first mark. Then the second mark is for, you can see, using the formula correctly, the expansion, the to find the coefficient. And then in the next, so you get M1 for the method mark, and then A1 is for the answer if you have either of the two terms correct. Means 1920, sorry, 1920x, 1620x squared, 810x cubed. Any two of them is correct, you will get the third mark, and the last mark is for having the correct, having all four terms correct. So we got all four of them correct, so we have scored 4 marks. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. You can find the next question in the playlist. See you in the next video.